tomorrow because I'm ready to go.
Sure. All right, let me finish this problem and then I'll go through it with you guys. I take it you thought the quiz went well?
Yeah.
Good. All right, this is always what happens. On the bottom is a big square root. And then we've got, let's see if I can read this right. We've got a square the standard deviation, the first one. So we're going to take 10,045 squared divided by n1, which is 250, plus 1,350 squared divided by 250. All right, so let's put this in our calculator. Are we going to have to subtract 0 in our calculator?
No.
No reason to do that. So on the top, I'm going to take parentheses 4,777 minus 4,866 divided by second square root. And then this one actually takes care of itself without a bunch of parentheses. You only need the parenthesis after the square root, so just write 10,045 squared divided by 250 plus 1,350 squared divided by 250. I got negative 0.82. Since you're watching, David, do you want the note sheet? Okay. Do you guys get the same thing as me? Some of you are still typing, which makes me think maybe you're not getting it right. We're all okay? So this is a z-score, and it is negative 0.82. Okay. Can anybody guess what the next step is in the thing?
Look it up in the chart.
Yeah, I mean, we can actually just compare the z-score directly because we have this, right? If you're doing p-values, you would look it up on the chart. On this one, so we accept or reject the what first? Right, so we're going to first look at the null. So accept or reject the null. You reject if it's in the rejection region. And then the final step is to accept or reject the claim. This depends on step number 5 and essentially whether the claim was the null or not. So it looks like it hits at negative 0.82, like right about here. So what should we do?
Accept the null,
Accept the null.
reject the claim. Or wait.
Yep, on this, because this case, if we accept the null, then we're rejecting that claim. So we're rejecting the claim that California and Illinois credit card debt is the same. Wait, the set is different, right?
Yeah.
Because their claim was that they're different.
Did the sample numbers have to be the same, or could like Illinois have like 500 samples?
It depends if they're independent or dependent. This section, they can be different. You'll watch the beginning part of the video. Speaking of, do you mind if I just